Hey everyone, it's Ben Hardy here, and today we're going to do just a couple things on Sunday just for fun. So obviously we're going to be going and washing the Shelby, and then I do have a little bit of a secret in store for us. It may involve a super special car that's a lot faster than that one. But something kind of sad happened over this weekend. This isn't my truck, this is the other truck, but you can see the whole headlight got all messed up and everything. That's what happens when you hit a deer here in Utah. But yeah, let's head right over to the Shelby and get to it. And I would say this is a cold startup on a 2017 Shelby GT350, but I already drove it this morning, so not so cold startup. Still kind of loud, but that's quiet mode, so obviously. And to be honest, I have been driving it in track mode lately. Yeah, I just love the sound difference. It's amazing. Okay, let's head out, guys. So, we just got here. We're finally gonna clean up the car. I think it's been like 2 weeks. Don't judge too much, but I've just been super busy at work and all that, so I'll just get right to it and clean her all up. She looks so much better when she's clean. But we are finally going to the mall today, replacing these bad boys that are 4 years old and just completely destroyed, so we'll see how that goes. So kind of low-key, there's so many people in there that I couldn't even like breathe, let alone film anything, but we finally achieved it. I finally got a new pair of shoes after like 4 years basically. So yeah, just one of those things about me that's just a little bit weird, but I don't know, it's something that I don't care about, you know what I mean? I didn't think it needed to be said, but it does need to be said and shown. These look so much better. I know they kind of look funny with my pants right now. I don't even care, but it feels so weird to have new shoes on after such a long time, and it's weird to see that they're like actually clean and somewhat like presentable. But we're gonna head out now. Obviously in the Shelby today. I do have a surprise for everyone, and so I think you should all be excited for what's to come soon. So we are here now at an undisclosed location, waiting for that special surprise that I told you guys about. And I'm pretty excited because I've never driven in one before. I've seen a ton of them, heard a ton about them, but never driven in one or driven one before, and so should be pretty exciting. This thing.
This GTR is way clean.
This thing looks fast.
That's all you get out of it. This thing looks fast.
This thing looks fast, bro. Dude, there's so much weird shit here.
What?
I said there's so much weird stuff here. What is this? SI? No, I was looking at the Evo and I was like, it looks fast. Yeah. Oh yeah, that truck's so cool. V-dubs. Fucking got teeth. The EcoBoost here. Little Miata. Now we have the real cars over here. GTR over here. Loud in here, but the rims on this are crazy. I'm gonna try to multitask here, but we're all going on a little bit of a drive. You can see my rearview mirror, got the GTR behind me. I might get one of those one day. See if you can kind of hear out the exhaust a little bit. So we've made it downtown now. There's like everything here, so we're gonna check everything out. See if there's any more cars over here. Yeah, this is kind of like the lame stuff. I think about making my car that color would be cool. This thing's pretty cool. Oh, look at this thing. Yeah, so I mean, other than those two GTRs, there's not really a whole lot. This thing's pretty cool. Yeah, so I totally forgot to film today's like outro and everything, but thank you everyone so much for watching again. Please leave a thumbs up if you liked the video. If you're stopping for the first time, please subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. And there's a little mini version of my car next to the keys. Pretty cool. Okay, I'll see you guys.